halfway Omoda and Jeku Potchefstroom.
Okay. Ngifuna bonke abantu bazothenga because my daughter ila. So abeze bazothenga because my daughter ila. Otherwise ngaba ngikho la nami ukuba indodakazi yami umpilonhle aphile. Seleko.
Hallelujah.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. There's a viral video of Umusa Mseleko and her daughter Umpilo Mseleko alaphana ePotchefstroom halfway la sebenza khona Umpilo Mseleko. So when the internship yakho Umpilo lapha, if I'm not mistaken, I think washo njalo, and beka lapha Umusa Mseleko telling everyone ukuthi they should come and buy cars laphana halfway ePotchefstroom since umntwana ke usebenza khona, and uyasho nje ukuthi ubita wonke umuntu ukuthi ete adothenga imoto. You know ukuthi these days abathola njalo ama-clients by putting videos kuma-YouTube channels abo, kuma TikTok channels abo, lokwenta abantu ukuthi babone ukuthi okay, this person uthengisa imoto and ama-requirements akhona ngiloku bafuna lokhu. So I think that's how they get ma-clients abo kulamalanga. So ugcina uba nema-sales lamaningi. So ufikile ke Umusa Mseleko kwenta video nompilonhle atshela abantu ukuthi they should come and buy cars from her daughter because usebenza laphana halfway, and balabantu they were saying ukuthi usininga ngayithanzele angeke azayithanze kancane because uyafila ngazuthi ababakho supporter Umpilo and yena kamsupport, but that's not true guys. Uyumsupporta to one usinekini la yendako usine because usine oseshabeni ude relaxele. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.